Are you struggling to get the most out of Gemini? The problem isn't Gemini, it's how you're talking to it. Stop settling for generic AI output. In this video, we're going to deconstruct the anatomy of a powerful prompt and show you how to move from simply asking questions to commanding incredible results. We'll unpack the core components like intent, context, role, and format that turn frustrating AI experiences into astonishing breakthroughs. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to unlock Gemini's hidden superpowers. Let's dive in. It can be helpful to visualize these components as 4 building blocks. Let's look at the anatomy of an effective prompt, starting with intent. The core task. Your intent is the primary action you want Gemini to perform. This block would answer your question, what do I want the AI to do? Next, you have the content or the what, providing the specific details, including narrowing the focus and setting boundaries. This would answer your question, what should Gemini talk about? We have the role or the persona. This would be the hat you would want Gemini to wear and adopt its expertise. This would then answer the question, who should the AI be? And lastly, the format or the structure. You tell Gemini exactly how to organize the information. Answering the last question, how should the AI present this information to you? We want to ensure we receive this info in the format we can read it, walking you through the 4 main building blocks that make a prompt effective. Let's start by seeing this prompt anatomy in action in part 1. Go ahead and jump over to aistudio.google.com and open AI Studio. I'll be working in compare mode, so you can see the most information in the least amount of time. Now let's dive into a real-world example, looking at a poorly constructed prompt side by side with an expertly crafted one. We'll go ahead and enter our basic prompt, write a social media post about our new noise-canceling headphones. And right from the start, we can see that Gemini has provided several variations, some short and punchy, others more detailed and descriptive. But notice what's missing. There's no context and no assigned role. We haven't defined who we're trying to reach or how we want the message to be presented. These details are crucial for shaping a prompt that produces focused, useful results. And the results speak for themselves. There's no intent, no context, misspelled words, and no clear call to action. On top of that, the actor in the video randomly changes hairstyles, and the target audience for our new headphone campaign isn't even defined. Now, let's use a prompt incorporating all 4 elements we referenced earlier. You are an expert social media marketer, specializing in tech gadgets. Write a 3-part Instagram carousel and video post for the launch of our Aura headphones. The target audience is college students and young professionals who commute. The tone should be exciting and a little bit futuristic. Avoid using overly technical jargon. The format should be Slide 1, a catchy hook, max 15 words. Slide 2, 3 bullet points on key benefits. Slide 3, a clear call to action with a limited time discount code. Using compare mode again, we can see Gemini will provide you with a number of options to choose from. I'll go ahead and place it in a 3-part Instagram carousel so you get the idea. And there it is. You can see we now have a clear intent with context tailored perfectly for commuters. The role is well defined, and it all wraps up with a strong call to action. This really highlights the difference a well-crafted prompt can make. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's take things beyond text. Gemini offers powerful multimodal capabilities, and with prompt engineering, we can guide and control them. Over in the Generate Media tab, we'll start with Nano and create an image using a simple prompt. An astronaut standing on a desert planet with 2 suns in the sky. The first result is solid, but this is where the real magic of iterative refinement begins. Instead of throwing it out and starting over, I can simply re-upload the image I've already generated and guide it further with natural language. Watch how easy this is. Change the astronaut's suit from white to a sleek matte black and add a small, friendly alien robot companion standing beside him. Suddenly, our scene evolves without losing the progress we've already made. Perfect. We shape the result without needing any complicated photo editing tools. What do you think? Could this make your day-to-day a little easier? Drop a comment and let me know how you'd use this to save time or get more done. I'm uploading a screen recording of a silent cooking tutorial. This will blow your mind how far Gemini's AI has come. My prompt will be simply, watch this entire video. Based on the visual actions, generate a detailed step-by-step recipe card formatted in Markdown, including ingredient quantities and cooking times. I'll go ahead and upload our silent cooking tutorial, and look at that. It didn't just grab a few frames, it watched and understood the entire process, turning a visual demonstration into a fully useful document. You can use this to create training manuals, gather feedback on presentations, or document any visual task with ease. Tap the Build tab from your home screen. Now let's explore one of the most advanced features, creating entire applications using natural language. This time, let's build a practical tool. My prompt is, create a simple web app that functions as a business idea validator. It should have 2 input fields, one for business idea and one for target audience. When the user clicks Analyze, the app should generate a list of 3 potential strengths and 3 potential weaknesses for that idea. Now, normally, out of respect for my viewers, I'd speed this part up to save time, but I want you to see exactly how this works. Watch as Gemini moves through each page, starting with our index page, and places a green check mark every time a line of code is completed. It's like having a live progress tracker, showing you step by step how your app is coming to life. And the best part, you can type in any updates or changes you want in real time, just like you're talking to a developer sitting right there in the office. It's that simple and interactive. And just look at this, a complete business idea validator built using nothing more than a carefully crafted prompt. Let's put it to the test. Our business idea, an eco-friendly packaging solution aimed at small to mid-sized e-commerce companies that want to shrink their carbon footprint. Watch how quickly it analyzes and gives us insights. Bam! Just like that. You've got real-world strengths and weaknesses for any business idea you enter. Pretty awesome, right? So what would you build first? Drop your ideas in the comments, and once you've got results you love, hit the Share tab in the top right to instantly send a link to your team. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell so you never miss any new Google AI tips and tricks. And as always,
keep exploring, keep creating.
See you in the next one.